Welcome to BrandBytes, my low-calorie, high-impact brand strategy appetizers by me, Suzanne Tulien, brand clarity expert with Brand Ascension. This is BrandByte number 13, and it's all about brand consistency. The other day, I met one of the partners to a new startup business at a networking event. We chatted about what each other did and exchanged business cards. And you know as well as I, the first impressions you get from the look and feel of a business card gives you all kinds of perceptions about the brand. The three phrases that came to my mind after looking at the card: shoestring budget, do it yourself, and low quality. Yes, a single business card can give off that heavy of a perception in no time flat. After I returned to my office, I looked up their website and bam, I had to decide to double check to make sure that the site I pulled up was the same company as the card. Talk about an about face. The site was beautifully laid out with great images, nice white space, and just enough content to tell the story. When I had lunch with the owners the next week and made this comment to that effect, one of them said, "Wow, I didn't even think to make the site and the card have the same look and feel. I thought the card was just a tool to pass out with my contact information." So needless to say, this BrandByte is all about the power of consistency. Consistency comes in all forms, from visual to experiential to product quality to the narrative spoken and written about the brand to even the actions and behaviors of the brand's employees. So in a global study with top global managers, consistency was cited as the most important element of a successful brand, overriding other key elements such as innovation, products, and yes, even marketing. So consistency is a powerhouse characteristic because it builds trust, and trust creates history. History forms tradition, and traditions build rituals. Per Martin Lindstrom, author of the book Brand Sense. So, is your brand a ritual with your customers? My recommendation: take a consistency audit and uncover all the areas you could be enabling or disabling consistency in your brand's overall experience, and let me know what you find. Well, that's my BrandByte for this time. I hope you didn't get too full. For more information on building your brand and our book, Brand DNA, or a brand assessment breakthrough session with me, go to brandascension.com. And always remember, your brand is your business. Thanks for elevating conscious branding in business.